camber arms. I already took one out already. Let me show you guys the other one, SPC. And these are adjustable camber arms, so they can adjust camber negative or positive. The reason why I'm installing that today is because, well, you can't really tell because I have the car on jacks right now. We took one of the camber arms out. If I don't install this aftermarket one, it will just eat up my tire, and it's already starting to eat up my tire. As you can see, like right here, the tread pattern is all full, and this one is starting to eat away. It's not as full as this side because it's running too much camber on this side. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna fix that. Not only that, it'll fix the fitment as well because I'm lowered on D2 springs. What I'm trying to do is put some positive camber, and then it should flatten out, make it more flush, make it look good, but as well as take care of that tire tread as well. Alright, I just got the wheel back on, and as you can see, it's flush now. Now you can see the tire is a lot more flush. Just show you guys a more in depth on this side. 17 mil right where the wrench is, and you get that out, and then 17 mil here, 17 mil here, crank that out, and this whole camber arm will just come right out. Just like that, camber arms are out. What I like to do is put the OE bolts in here and just unloosen this bolt until this is perfectly aligned with the OEM camber arm, because that will make it a lot easier to put it in. Once it's all in and bolted down, you could adjust whether you want more negative or positive camber. Just finish, and as you can see, the fitment is a lot better. It's flush with the back panel right there. Before it was like pointed back a little bit more by a couple degrees, so it should be all good now. Just like a little bit better, guys. It's the little details, man. The little details that count. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time and next one.